Should you be in merch? Of course. Merch by Amazon is a great opportunity to bring in extra income. It is as far from get rich quick as you can get. It's more of get a nice chunk of change every month after nurturing it for a long time. So why bother? Do you expect a cherry sapling to produce cherries immediately? No. It needs good soil. You need to make sure it gets enough water. Maybe add some fertilizer. Then, after a few years, you get cherries. Will merch take years? For some, not for others. It has for me, yet I still soldier on. Before COVID closed merch down, I was getting about a solid $100 per month in Tier 500. What can you expect? A slow start. It's okay though. Almost everyone starts slow. You start at Tier 10 and stay there until you fill your slots and get a few sales. Next is Tier 25, and you can usually get out of there the same way. Here's the thing. You got to get out of those tiers as fast as possible. So you'll need to buy your way out in most cases. Mark your shirts as low as possible and buy a few. You can also ask for a little help from your friends and family. Let them know why you're asking for help. People like to help. Don't forget to raise the prices after the sales are made. When you're at Tier 50, fill up your slots and wait. It's too expensive to buy your way out of this tier. You're going to need 50 sales. You should also delete shirts that don't sell within a month or two. Save the designs though. You can try again when you have more slots available. Do not price low to try and get more sales. It doesn't work well on Amazon. That's why I've spent a few years in the lower tiers. Almost all my sales in Tier 500 have come after raising my prices to $16.99. When I get a few sales, the price goes up. Reviews are gold. You can raise prices again when you get a few positive reviews. Amazon shoppers are not basement shoppers. They demand quality and think paying more gives them that quality. But a $19.99 shirt is the same quality as a $14.99 shirt. I won't tell if you won't. Sign up today at merch.amazon.com. Don't wait. There's a waiting list to get in. I hope you enjoyed this video and got value. In the next video, I'm going to discuss what you should design as a beginner.